Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Oukitel WP50. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to go to Google and click on all services, and now you have to find parental controls. Now click on let's do this and click sign in. And here you have to enter your passcode. Now you have to enter your child email address. And here you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. Now click accept. And click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next. And click allow. Now scroll down and click next. Then click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.